Pemirsa, dalam rangka memperkenalkan dua kota besar India, Rajasthan dan Uttar Pradesh, Konsulat Jenderal India di Bali menggelar seminar di Nusa Dua, Badung, Bali. Seminar tersebut bertajuk Magnificent Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh dengan topik produk, technology, investment, and beyond.
Seminar ini bertempat di Hotel Ayodhya, Nusa Dua, Bali dengan menghadirkan 3 narasumber yaitu Konsulat Jenderal India di Bali, Dr. Sansak Vikram yang menyajikan topik produk, teknologi, investment, and beyond. Kemudian narasumber kedua, Millet Chef dengan topik Magnificent India, The Wonder of Millet, dan Director of CVCC Bali, Mr. Naven Megwal dengan topik The Incredible India from Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh for the World. Konsulat Jenderal India di Bali, Dr. Sansak Vikram mengatakan, seminar ini bertujuan untuk memperkenalkan dua kota besar di India yaitu Rajasthan dan Uttar Pradesh. Masing-masing kota memiliki keunggulan dari segi produk, teknologi, investasi, dan millet yang memiliki segudang manfaat bagi kesehatan. Pihaknya menambahkan potensi yang terdapat di dalam dua kota tersebut dapat menjadi peluang untuk mengadakan kerjasama antar dua negara. Kota Rajasthan merupakan kota modern dan eksotik yang menjadi tujuan bisnis dan pariwisata di dunia, sementara kota Uttar Pradesh sebagai pusat investasi dunia yang memiliki kesamaan budaya serta kekayaan alam seperti di Bali.
See, first of all, Bali is a place which is very close to our hearts because of our ancient relationship, the strong tradition, and people-to-people connect. And our effort today is to explore the other ways by which there could be greater trade and commerce relationship between Bali and India. And today we have chosen two states in India, which is Rajasthan and UP, which have immense opportunities when it comes to trade. And there are so many things in which we can work together. As I was saying, in renewable energy, in green technology. Tourism, of course, is a sector where both like in this case, Rajasthan as well as Bali have great tourism experience. So we can learn from that also. The effort is to introduce these different parts of India to people of Bali and to see where we can take it forward from. As I think the theme of today's thing was saying, basically trade, innovation, technology. Okay. So like we have a focus on three T's as we call them: trade, tourism, and technology. So I feel when it comes to Bali as well as Indonesia in particular, we can work on the three T's together. Trade is important, of course, tourism is important, and technology, especially for developing countries like India and Indonesia. As we go forward, what can we teach each other? As I was saying about the IT, that India is an IT hub. Maybe we can share our experiences. Maybe we can train the people from Bali. So those kind of experiences we can have. Every industry has different kind of requirements. Some requirements, it's possible that if new Indian investment comes here, the youth of Bali will get greater opportunity in their careers. They will find better jobs. So that is the effort.
Seminar ini diharapkan mampu menjalin hubungan kuat dan kerjasama antara Bali dan India, serta seminar ini dapat memberikan manfaat yang nantinya akan membantu dalam peningkatan kualitas produk, peningkatan investasi, dan pengembangan teknologi. Bunga Widrayani, Bali TV.